Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can scrap the tweets from x.com or formerly known as Twitter. So I have developed a simple Python script. In this video, I will show you the complete demonstration work how you can scrap. So first thing first, we need to understand the basic structure. This required some, I'm using beautiful soup library to scrap the tweets, and here is the function that will extract the data from X post. And the running was very simple, and I am using scrolling using PyAutoCode library. PyAutoCode library, I have developed a source code downloader function to scrap the data and extract the tweets. So these are the required number of libraries I am running to scrap the data. And PyAutoCode also play a very important role in this automation, so I will show you. So first thing first, you need to sign into your X account. If you didn't sign in, you didn't log into your account, so that will not work. And due to intense requirement, my client, many users are complaining they are failed to learn, they are failed to run the required system on their PC. So I have managed thing according to their requirement, because some people are running on Mac, some are running on Windows, or even they are on Linux. So I hope you guys understand. So before running this, you need to log in to your X account, and you wanna target the specific hashtag. So for example, I want to say, let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is a very popular topic on the internet, cryptocurrency. So I want to scrap the latest tweet on Bitcoin. And now also, before running is, I have subscribed, guys, I have subscribed the premium package. I have buy the premium package of this X account. My subscription was premium. I have already subscribed. So I have subscribed to basic premium account. I have a basic this is my subscription. I have basic active, and make sure before running this, because it doesn't mean a spaceship, you're running you're on the missile, you're on the rocket. So there are some sort of limitations. Okay, before, I have also mentioned this onto my Discord when I have a communication with a client. So here is the screenshot I would like to share you. As a basic subscriber of X basic monthly package, you can view up to 10,000 posts per day on X, as this limit applies to all verified account, including those with premium, basic, premium, or premium plus tier. This is significantly higher than 1,000 post limit for unverified accounts, or the 500 post limit for the new unverified accounts. So here is important, if you have a basic premium package, or the more upgrade you account, you have a verified version, so you can have a access for more tweets seeing onto your window. If you have a no active account, you can only see 100 150 posts per day, and the issue of rate limit was arise. So you need to please take care account of it. Later on, many guys are complaining that they are not getting a good results. So it's not my fault, it's yours. So let's get started. And before starting, I would like to show you that I am currently doing the affiliate marketing for IP Royal, and IP Royal offers very huge amount of they are offering good proxies, residential proxies, data centers proxies, ISP, static residential proxies, and mobile proxies. So if you want to do, if you want to build something very special, something a large scale seamless web scraping, you always need a proxy. So I want you to see the link in the description and earn the special discount IP Royal. I am using these proxies, and they are offering a very good amount of speed and in a very affordable price. So let's get back to work. So first I'm open this a Bitcoin page, and I'm gonna start scraping the data, start scraping data. Okay, so let's get started. I think I have need to I am the scrolling limit, scrapping robot, basically 5 is a scrolling limit. Don't worry, this is for the demonstration. I will explain it later when you approach to me directly through my WhatsApp number. So here is it. Now let's get started. And I'm gonna run this and says scrolling limit equals to 7. Okay, so I'm gonna run this. I have already opened the page of Bitcoin, which shows me the latest tweets. Here is it, latest tweets of Bitcoin. And now I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna show you. I will show you how the scraping done. I will click on the play button. It'll show me what? It show me this message, and I have already opened it. So I'm gonna start this by leaving a mouse cursor alone. You see it will download the source code from inspect element, and the basic purpose is it simply download the source code after few scrolling, because the X page by showing their window pop-up was pretty smarter. Now it will show the scraping complete and the data is saved in both files. So I will show you the JSON file. Inside the JSON file you see account URL, username, tweet text, hashtags and mentions. So I will tune this later on with the passage of time, so don't worry about this. And Here is it. Here is the tweets. Here is the Excel file, and this contained the tweet text, hashtags, and the time. Maybe I don't think so. I need this. That's just not important for me. So it's a time, and it contains. You will see. We'll see according to, I think, some sort of special attention required to fine-tune that kind of thing. Okay, so don't worry, but here is the demonstration. I will add things. I have managed to scrape tweets from X. It was a huge milestone I have achieved on this video. So I hope, guys, you like this video, and keep sharing, keep developing the technology, the solutions which help peoples in a very, in a cheap price. So I hope, guys, you really like this video. So thanks for your time, and I hope uh, you like this video. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jazakallah.